In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip OneDrive files. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Microsoft OneDrive website, the personal file sharing and cloud storage page. This is where all your files live online. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button near the top right and select it. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access your files. If you have both personal and work or school accounts, make sure you choose the one that contains the files you want to zip. After you're in, you'll land on your OneDrive home or the My Files view. Navigate to the folder that holds the items you want to compress. To select files, hover over an item and click the small circle that appears in the corner of the thumbnail or icon. You can select multiple items by clicking additional circles, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select more than one. If you want to download an entire folder, select the circle next to the folder name instead of opening it. As soon as you make a selection, a toolbar appears at the top of the page. Look for the download option in that toolbar and click it. OneDrive will automatically prepare your selection and bundle everything into a single zip file. You don't need any extra software or add-ins. The compression happens on Microsoft servers. Depending on the size and number of files, this may take a moment. Keep the browser tab open while OneDrive is working. When it's ready, your browser will start the download, or it may show a prompt asking where to save the file. By default, most browsers place it in your Downloads folder. The zip file usually takes the name of the folder you selected, or OneDrive, if you picked multiple items from different locations. If nothing seems to happen, check the browser's address bar for a pop-up blocker icon and allow downloads from OneDrive. Also, make sure you have enough space on your computer for the zip. Large selections can take longer and may be split in the background before being zipped. Just let the process finish without refreshing the page. That's all there is to it. Go to OneDrive, sign in, select the files or folders you need, and choose Download. OneDrive zips them for you and delivers a single convenient package you can store, share, or archive. Pause the video and try it now, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher.